Twin turbo 4-liter V8 engine. Oh shoot. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an AMG C63s and this car is a beast. Under the hood of this car we have a twin turbo 4-liter V8 engine that is hand built by this gentleman right here. This car produces 503 horsepower. It's pretty quick. We have some GoPro mounts here and a GoPro. Gonna see if we can do some POV shots in here. Got the flat bottom steering wheel, very nice car, super nice. Got these bucket seats right here, pretty nice bolstering, quite comfortable. Not too sport like, not too they don't hold you in your seat very tightly. They're right in the middle. They're pretty good. Then you got seats in the back too with pretty good legroom actually. I'd say this car's pretty long. Got the AMG wheels with the 6-piston slotted rotors and brake calipers. Got these LED intelligent light system headlights from AMG or Mercedes. V8 bi-turbo. This car is a really big engine. Everything is so compactly put in here. Everything's so close together. They definitely used up all the space that they could, but it's pretty nice, and I like how the turbos are right at the top. Twin turbos, pretty cool. Alright guys, so let's put on the POV cam and let's go race a Raptor 700r. Guys, this car is quick and it doesn't really put you back into your seat. It's pretty comfortable at the same time. There's that Raptor. You guys want to see something cool? We got a battery from O'Reilly's that we need to return. Oh, there's that Raptor. That Raptor kept up pretty good though, I'm not gonna lie. It keeps up with these AMGs. Alright, so we got a core. The core, I'll show you guys what it is. It's kind of a joke of a core, but it's a core nonetheless. So let's see if they take it. Yeah, you know, CNN has some good shows behind there. Montesa and some other areas, but guys, look, check this out. This is the core right here. We're gonna see if they take it.
I know, but and you know what? What if you drive the car and something happens? So they have to ban the car?
Yeah. Yeah. That's my core.
Nope.
No,
Sorry.
I can't take that as a core, but
Unacceptable. Go set your battery on the counter over there.
Thank you.
I've seen them explode, but I've never seen. Oh, I gotta take a picture of that. I've never seen them
He
explode
went
like
up to her and asked her. He's like, hey, you ever seen an exploded battery before? He's like, you want to buy it? This is the core that he came back with.
That's insane. I'll recycle your battery for it.
Okay, thank you. I'm sure it's great use. Yeah. Alright, man.
gonna take the belt back now after I buckle it. That's nifty. It's gonna tug on it. Yeah, it tugs on the belt a little bit. Put the keys in here. The little Maybach logo. There it is. It tugged the belt. Okay, hold on. Turn off auto stop. Valves open. Sport Plus. It's a fast Raptor right there. We might go and take some photos now. Guys, I'm stuck behind this truck now. You better take a turn quick. Let's roll up these windows. Oh, he's smart. He's smart. What does it do that for? Alright guys, we're here. Alright guys, it's time to do some videography and stuff in front of the AMG. This is gonna be sick. Oh shoot! Oh,
Right?
yeah, it's good. Oh shoot!
I was trying to do that.
Oh my god, we got that on camera. It's
Oh, nice. That would have been bad.
yeah. Oh my gosh, it's okay. Good as new.
That's not too bad. Holy cow, that would have been really bad. Yeah, that's not too
We're
bad.
good, we're good. Everything's good. Body lines are good. All right, guys, let's go to the gas station now. It gives me my belt and everything. It's amazing. Sweet. Just listen to that beautiful V8 twin turbo engine. Oh snap, he gonna do a wheelie. There's like a bunch of mini wheelies right there. Okay. And then Alright guys, so that's going to be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you guys like these POV videos, let me know in the comments down below. I'm planning on making a lot more in the future, especially with this Camaro. As you guys can see, I already finished the interior on the Camaro. That video is coming out next, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.